How to build an emergency fund from zero, even if you're broke. Emergencies don't wait for your bank account to grow. Here's how to build a financial safety net, starting with almost nothing. Hey there. Today we're tackling one of the most important money moves you can make, building an emergency fund, even if you're flat broke. No matter your income, this is possible. I've helped students, part-timers, and freelancers do it. You can too. Step 1. Define your mini emergency goal. Forget $1,000 for now. Start with a small, realistic goal, $100 or $200. This reduces pressure and builds quick momentum. Small wins feel great and keep you going. Step 2. Use a separate bank account. Out of sight, out of mind. Open a free savings account just for emergencies. Don't link it to your main debit card. That way you're less tempted to dip into it for pizza or impulse buys. Step 3. Automate micro savings. Even $1 a day adds up. Use apps like Plum or Revolut Vaults to round up spare change from purchases, or auto-save $5 every Friday. Think small, but be consistent. It's the habit that matters. Step 4. Fund it with hidden money. Emergency funds don't need your main income. Look around. Sell an old gadget, cancel unused subscriptions, walk instead of Uber for a week. In 1 month, I funded $87 of my first emergency fund just by skipping takeout. Step 5. Make it a non-negotiable. Treat your emergency fund like rent. You don't skip rent, right? Same mindset. No excuses, no negotiations. When life throws a crisis, flat tire, medical bill, job loss, this fund will be your lifeline. Building an emergency fund is not about being paranoid. It's about buying peace of mind. When you know you can survive the unexpected, you walk with a different kind of confidence. Start today. Transfer just $5 to a separate account. Then come back and comment, "My fund has begun." I'll heart every comment that takes this first step. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who always says, "I'll save next month." Next video, we'll talk about how to turn savings into investing. Stick around and stay safe.